Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to enable and disable restriction mode on WePlay. So how to enable and disable restriction mode, all we need to go to the bottom right corner right here to me. After clicking on me right there, we need to click on youth protection mode right here. After doing that, we can put in enable adolescence mode. Now we're going to set our password. So password is 1234. Confirm 1234. Then complete. As you can see right there, we're gonna enable our youth protection mode. So this one, it protects our children or the younger generation or the young youth who's using this. So we can, as you can see, limited interaction with users age 18. As you can see right there, limited sensitive content. You can turn that off if you're gonna use it right there. Here, turn it on and off and blah blah blah. Here we have the voice room, social function restriction, and restrict the moment, square, church, nearby, and those right there. Now to disable this, we're just gonna click on it. But before we disable it, as you can see right now, it is enabled. Right there, go. As you can see, it's enabled. If we disable it, we're gonna enter the password and click on disable. Enter the password. After that, as you can see right now, it is disabled. Another way of doing this is by going to settings. To go to settings, click on general. Once you're here at general, click on preference. Here you can choose, change it to under 18 right here. And if you want to choose it to above 18. So make a choice to get a better gaming experience. We will find recommended the players and voice room based on your choice, depending on your age. But now we're gonna go under 18. Now we're gonna go back. Oh no, we can go above 18. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. So that's it. That's how you do it. And if you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below, and then we'll be happy to answer you as quick as possible. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.